So guys, my media mod came in yesterday and I love it. Sound is really good, and that is way too high. Sounds really good, I think. It looks really cool too, and I put it on my helmet to, you know, see how much bigger it is compared to my GoPro Hero 7 with that type of case I've got. I'll show right here. It's a lot more sleeker design. There's no I gotta put it in gear. There isn't any bulkiness, and my Hero 7 with that case that I had on it made it come up really high, so it wasn't technically in my field of view when I was riding, but it was, I could see it. This one is really nice, and it's down here where I'm not actually, it's not in my field. I've been doing good on the Weight Watchers. I have not went over points at all during any of the days. I try to have like one cheat day, and the way that I did it last time was I did have a cheat day each week, but I'm the type of person who likes to try to push that cheat day off. Like, just say I have my cheat days on Saturday, and I'm like, okay, I've made it to Saturday. I'm like, let's try to go till next Saturday to have my cheat day. So even though I can cheat on that day, and it usually still lets me lose weight, I say, no, we're going to push ourselves further. We're going to go further. And I do that with my workouts as well. I like to run. And when I used to go to the gym all the time and run on the treadmill, I would go for so long, and as I got to where I was running more and running more, I would push myself to go further past what I would do. So just say that I usually run for 20 minutes, and then I'll have like a 4-minute, 3-minute cool down or whatever. I would do 20 minutes, and then it would start to cool down. Well, I would just push that 20 minutes past to like 25 minutes. And then it would start to cool down, and I'm like, no, I can still go. Let's go to 30. I used to do that a lot, and I love doing that. That's probably my favorite workout, is running. So I was talking to my buddy Corey. We're talking about Tokyo next year in Japan. I was telling him, I've been watching vlogs. Me and him both watch Japanese vlogs all the time. And I was telling him that I would really like to look into going to Osaka, because they have some really cool places over there. And he was down for it. We're going to play it by ear though. So just say if we do everything we want to do in Kyoto on one of the days that we're there, we're going to replace one of our Kyoto days maybe, or one of our Tokyo days, with Osaka. And that's fine with me. We're going to be staying in a capsule hotel in Kyoto. And if we go to Osaka, we'll be staying in one there too. Then we also have an Airbnb over in Tokyo that we're going to be getting for the whole 10 days that we're there. We're going to be doing Disneyland in Tokyo. We're going to be doing Disney Sea Tokyo. In the world. We're going to be doing a lot of walking in Tokyo, which I think it's going to be fun. It's really going to be fun. I'm taking my nephew with me, and he's kind of excited. He's just going to be 16, going over to a whole new country. It's going to be fun. I think I was 17 when I first went out of the United States. I went to Mexico. At the time, you didn't need a passport for Mexico. There's something that I want to do when we go to Tokyo. When we go to Tokyo, one of my bucket list items is driving in Japan. I love to drive. I've always been a car person. ever since I was a kid. I was telling my buddy Corey yesterday, I was brought home from the hospital, brand new baby boy, in the back of an IROC Camaro, 89 IROC Camaro. And I spent most of my younger childhood in the back seat of that car, and I wouldn't have changed that for nothing. But I love cars. So my dream car is not really unachievable, is an Evo. My favorite Evo is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 6. I love the Tommy McKinnon edition, but I like the Evo 6 just in general. So there's a place over there that I can rent an Evo 6 for the day, and it's got like unlimited mileage, and I'm gonna rent that car, and we're gonna drive about 2.5 hours north out of Tokyo. I don't know if the girls are gonna go with us or not, but we're gonna get this all on vlog, by the way, so get ready for that. But we're gonna be going 2.5 hours north out of Tokyo to a place called Gunma, Japan. And in Gunma is where Initial D, the anime, took place. If you know anything about Initial D, first mountain where the main character Takumi is racing on all the time, where he grew up on, it's called Akina in the anime, but it's actually called Haruna, if I'm saying that right. And that mountain that he raced on exists. It's all real, and every one of those mountains that they raced on was real. So we're going up to Gunma, and we're going to go drive up and down Mount Haruna, and I'm going to see Lake Haruna. And there's actually like a little shop at the bottom of Mount Haruna that has Initial D stuff in it. I think it's like almost like a souvenir shop, just because Initial D took place there. So that right there is my bucket list item that will be done over in Tokyo. I keep saying over in Tokyo, over in Japan, because it's not in Tokyo. And I'm really excited about that, even though that Corey's not just a huge car guy. He is like really excited about that just because of the Initial D fact. Because Initial D is a meme at this point for anime fans. That's not really just dumb. I mean, you can't not love the deja vu memes. Eurobeat intensifies, all that stuff. They're hilarious. I changed the quality of my videos. I don't know if it showed up on YouTube. I haven't actually looked at my video on YouTube. Not that it would go through my phone the same way, but I've been recording. Used to, all my videos were recorded in 1080p. That was it. And now I'm recording in, I believe, 1440p. It's a step up. It's not 4K, but it's up there. And as you can see, the type of lens I'm using is massive. I don't know if it's something that you guys like. I think it looks pretty cool, but you can see all around me, and you can see I'm going really slow because I'm stuck behind a lot of traffic. But I think it looks pretty cool. I really can't wait to see how this sound is going to turn out with that new media mod. I tried it out last night, but I was in my room and I had a loud fan going. It was picking up the noise of the fan, which I guess is okay. I just want to make sure that it's clear and crisper than what the original sound was. But I like the media mod either way, for the fact that I've got a Purple Panda mic set up to my helmet, and all it does is just plugs right into that, and it works great. I did try that one out. Purple Panda's got like the best sound quality ever, but there is going to be a link below if you guys want a really good mic for your cameras, and it works with other cameras as well, not just GoPro. So if you guys want to try out the Purple Panda mic, I'll send the link down below on Amazon where I get it. It's like a $30 mic, and I would not go with any other mic out there, period. Like, it's the best. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward when we get to the truck. See you guys in a second. Pre-trip on my truck. I got my paperwork set up. I wanted to talk about another thing that I got. First, I want to go ahead and show you guys the media mod. This mod is really cool. You can see the microphone there on the top left corner, and then here you can see all the ports that you need, like the charging port cable. You even have a HDMI out, and also you have the auxiliary for the 3.5mm jack. I got this yesterday as something that makes it where my GoPro batteries, I ain't got to swap out GoPro batteries all the time. This is a 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack. Now I could place this like in my jacket pocket while I'm riding down the road and have it hooked up to my GoPro, and I ain't got to worry about anything going dead. And it could charge my cell phone. It could charge a lot of times. And actually, I'm going to be plugging this up to my GoPro here soon because I am running low on battery. So guys, that's the update I have for you guys today. Don't really have much more to talk about in this vlog. I will be doing a weigh-in tomorrow morning. I'm going to do my weigh-ins on Saturday. I'll probably vlog tomorrow because I got some stuff I want to do. I'm going to be detailing my car and my motorcycle, trying to get some good glamour shots of those. Trying to get my stuff put back in the bag. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and head over, grab my trailer, and start my day. It's been good talking to you guys. I'm really enjoying getting back into this vlogging thing with this new camera. It's really fun. Like I said in the last video, I want to do more of vlogging, no matter if I'm on my bike or if I'm on my car or just if I'm with my friends, whatever. I want to get used to talking to the camera, because over in Japan, I'm going to be doing it a lot. Oh, before I go, I do have something to talk about. I want to talk to you guys about a couple of other of my friends that are on YouTube, Twitch, and yeah, those two, Instagram. Okay. I'm going to put their link in the description below. You guys go check them out. One guy, which they're married, he goes by the name Revenant Balor. I think I got that right. You can correct me in the comments below if I didn't. And then you got Lady Mischief, his wife. They stream every night. He's a really good friend of mine. There's a long story. In fact, that would be a good story to talk about on the video with him. I think that would be pretty fun too. I really want to get their name out there because they're who really inspired me to do this. I was already inspired years ago by chasing two wheels to become a vlogger, but these two, even though they probably don't even know it, I watch them, and on Twitch I got both of their streams going usually at the same time, and they really have built something that inspired me to keep going. So I want to get them some more subscribers, even though they're doing good. They really are. I think that they're doing awesome. Now Revenant, he's into Pokemon cards, and I love Pokemon cards. Now I'll show you guys a video of some of my cards, maybe in another video, but I love Pokemon cards. He opens, I think right now the latest set is Rebel Clash. So if you guys are into Pokemon cards and you like watching Pokemon card openings, go check out Revenant Balor. If you don't like Pokemon card openings, go check out Revenant Balor. He's also gaming on Twitch. He does Twitch streaming, I believe, nearly every night, except for maybe on Saturday night. No, Saturday night I think that he does. I think it's Sunday night that he doesn't. Lady Mischief, she does everything. She's an artist. She sings. She does Twitch streaming, gaming, and singing, and they're both really great. Go check them out. I got the link in the description below. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to work. So, peace.